Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Honda Rebel 500. This bike only has 1,805 miles and is offered for $59.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a really nice looking used bike. The previous owner kind of made it into a bobber style. Took off the kind of large rear fender with turn signals and then put on an integrated a fender that has integrated tail light, brake light, and turn signals on it. It's pretty cool. Also has a Two Brother Racing exhaust on it with a carbon fiber tip, and they remounted the license plate. Other than that, it's completely stock. Great looking bike. Again, 1,805 miles. The bike's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change, a safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, or at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes